craft itself, it is like there since so many ages, right? We make furniture, right? All of you must be having in your houses, in your friends' houses. We make stools, glasses, facades, right? With bamboo and the strength of the bamboo, right? We make like almiras, tables. This is the IIT Bombay bus stop. We tried making bus stop also. We use as a natural, spoon to take our grains out and other things. This is also sitting space. We make the ferries or the boats with bamboo and the bridges with the bamboo. And it has certain qualities, right? The durability, the strength. Bamboo को आप जितना भी मोड़ेंगे वो इतनी easily नहीं टूटेगा, flexible हो जाएगा. That's why in the root bridge, they were actually using bamboo quite a lot because वो flexible हो जाएगा, लेकिन वो टूटेगा नहीं जिस तरह से बाकी materials टूटते हैं.
And it is water resistance too.
Water resistance too, right? There are then you talk the brother of the bamboo, cane, right? Cane को आप इतनी आसानी से नहीं मोड़ सकते. You have to steam the particular part and then you can actually take a mold. So अगर इतनी आसानी से नहीं मोड़ सकते तो the functionality, the durability also increases and it's all sustainable. So we are making bridge with that small grass which grows in 5 years and then gives you. Okay, so that's what so I wanted to show you that example. Now, so what is the most fascinating element in nature you have seen which really inspires you? You must be taking inspiration from nature, all of you. तो ऐसा क्या है मतलब जिससे आप इंस्पायर होते हो? In nature, huh?
Human anatomy.
Human anatomy, okay. Like I really like, yeah, please.
The designs that we see on birds, maybe.
Birds, patterns, right? Flowers. What kind? What is in flowers? I mean, what exactly in flowers?
The shape of the hibiscus shape. Hibiscus plant shapes.
What else?
Formations.
Formations, yes.
And they also have few of the flowers have this ability. जब शाम हो जाती है तो बता जाते हैं सूरज की किरणों से खिल जाते हैं. So
Yes.
Fragrance.
Fragrance, yes.
Ma'am,
So, yeah.
lot of gardening. So I'm fond of. So what the aspirations or how do I learn from this?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So there's something which I observe plants. So at times when we transplant
A plant to one pot to another, yeah.
plants, it gets into shock, right? So there's a plant, and how I'm learning from the plant. A plant is designed to survive, right? So under different conditions also it will survive. So when a plant is under shock, when we transplant it, so it stays till it feels that the temperature is right enough, that we also imbibe it in our life. And when it starts to grow from those areas which will help it to survive. So a plant is designed to survive. I think that's what inspiration I draw.
That's
from
wonderful. Thanks for adding this, ma'am. I think this is a very important point. Like, you need a right temperature, you need a right environment. Same for us, right? We need a right temperature and we need a right environment. Not just about like good education and good environment, fancy things, but right kind of people also around us, right? Right kind of empathy around us so that people can understand us, right? So there's different kind of patterns we have it in nature. You can see the seashell here, right? So this is called Fibonacci's curve, okay? And a lot of inspiration from nature has been taken and a mathematical model has been developed. Fibonacci's curve, where different sections of scaling has been taken and a kind of a curve has been developed which will bring us more beauty, more symmetry. So if we design something in this space, if this scale mein, so it will bring a kind of a balance in our product, whatever we are building it.
Just like bird making nest.
Yes, bird making nest. So that could be one.
from birds to make 8 beams.
Yes. or the way we are sitting. Are we sitting in a Fibonacci's curve if you see from the top angle? No. But what if we'll sit in a Fibonacci's curve? Like we put the desks in a certain way and it moves into center. Do you think a kind of behavior change it will bring? Bit more empathetic, we can see each other more closely, talk to each other closely. Dynamics change. So
कैसे टॉक चल रही है फिर क्या वहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिनेरियो कौन सा है जैसे अभी अब यहाँ पे ऐसे बैठ जाएंगे तो हमारा फोकस आपसे हट जाएगा और फिर सेंटर में कुछ चाहिए फोकस करने के लिए अभी तो हमें स्क्रीन पे फोकस कर रहे हैं दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सिटिंग इन अ
symmetrical way. But what if we go to our ancient things where we used to sit under a tree on a circular space and the guru used to stand semicircular space facing the group. But there's certain kind of empathy or certain kind of belief it helps you. So what I'm trying to say, the patterns we sit, the patterns we experience, the way we design it, it brings a bit of connection, you know, and it also kind of brings some kind of design element. So I'll come to it. For example, lotus, starting from the birth, and the lotus temple has been created and taken inspiration from there. So a lot of architects have taken the inspiration from the lotus, how it opens up and the light from where it will come and all those things. Then you see this pop-up fish, right? It just like goes and goes, and you see with this fish, the form has been taken out. With that form, architecture of a car has been given. So it is famous for giving kind of a surprise and a kind of a strength. So that structure of the vehicle has been developed. Then a form has been developed. That's a structure to strengthen the functionality, and this is the form on top of it. And they have kept the similar kind of feel to it and kind of made it. So you have the designer of this vehicle, the designer of the car has taken inspiration from the nature itself. So this is one way we, in design, we kind of curate a lot of our ideas, which we are making it for people. Similarly, you know, so this is, again, the structures within, you can say,
that's the hollow bones.
hollow, yes, the zoom in thing, and from that the inspiration for the chair has been taken to give it more of a stability and kind of a design feel as well as a stability. Same thing, I was doing this research on making the coral reefs. So you have seen the coral reefs, right? So a lot of our coral reefs are vanishing right now. So what we have done, we have taken inspiration from the coral reefs, programmed it the way it's been made, 3D printed it, but not with a plastic 3D printing material, which is ABS, but more with a, you can say, limestone kind of material. And we have 3D printed and we have replanted it in our coral areas where fishes started, the space started reviving with the fishes and all those things. So we can always take inspiration from the nature around us. I already told you. So again, like a table, a different kind of table, but with different patterns, and also it's building the integrated pattern of these things is also building the strength of the table itself. How about the bullet train? Bullet train, the kingfisher beak. जब kingfisher उड़ता है या तो like उसकी beak जो है basically forces को पीछे करती है तो हाँ? Aerodynamics, right? So similar concept the Japanese train has taken and designed there, like the train, the design of the train is inspired by the kingfisher, and that's how they save on the energy part also. Anybody have seen ice stupa? Any idea? Okay, so ice stupa is something very interesting, which is created by a group of children. Okay, so there's this. Anybody went to Ladakh? So what they have done, like in Ladakh, you know, it's a winter, very cold climate, climatic conditions, and In winters, the people who stay there, they go out of the villages and stay in some other setting because it's very cold. Even पानी से नल जो है वो भी पूरा आइस बन जाता है, तो आप पानी नहीं ले सकते, आपको उसको पिघालना पड़ता है, फिर आप बेसिकली उसको पीने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो. तो व्हाट दे हैव डन, तो उन्होंने बच्चे ने एक बकेट ली, ठीक है. ऑफ कोर्स द मेंटर वाज देयर, so bit of, as all of you are mentors, so mentoring is very important. So उस साइड में एक बकेट ली, मेंटर ने पाइप लिया, पाइप को नलके में लगाया और बकेट में डालकर लाइक उसको लाइक ऑन करा एंड पानी गया, ठीक है. सो वन ऑफ द बेसिक थिंग्स इट स्टार्टेड विद. But in winters, what happens if you actually, so what they have done within this system, so they have actually elongated the pipe here, and जिस तरह से पानी ऊपर जाता है and it just comes out, and they started kind of making this kind of ice stupa space kind of thing. और जैसे जैसे गर्मी होती है of course पिघल जाएगा, लेकिन सर्दियों में अंदर से अंदर जो इसके अंदर स्पेस बना है वो पिघलना शुरू होता है. And then नलके के through the water goes and people get it downstream kind of thing, the water. So what they have done by using their local settings and local spaces, local ideas, they started channelizing the cold water or ice water into something which people can use. So very local innovation. Of course, uske baad people have built multiple ice stupas. There was a proposal that they can build multiple ice stupas, and interesting part, the most fascinating part, which I'm always inspired by, that it's not a funded project. Okay, it's done by the people, the community, the local colony. They came together, they said, we are building this for our people, our children, our parents, and that's how they have built it up. So no funding has been came into it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I want to ask.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it not commercialized it after build-up?
No. It's a community-driven model.
Yeah, but now the tourists will arrive to see it. Now,
Yeah.
what my mind says, my commercial commerce mind says that now it should be commercialized and the benefit should be given to the community.
Yes, that can be one of the addition to it. That could be one of the addition. That is your, like, that is very nice, interesting way to put it together. Yeah, we can do it, yeah. You want to add something?
Yeah, so these ice stupas not only provide water during the winters, because its waters are all frozen, so it's very rare that you will find water anywhere. But लद्दाख का geography ऐसा है कि आपको गर्मियों में भी पानी बहुत कम मिलेगा, because it becomes a desert. So इन stupas को इस तरह से बनाया जाता है कि whenever the water freezes, it will only melt when the sun is too bright. तो जब गर्मियों में वो ब्राइट सन होता है तो वो धीरे धीरे वाटर मेल्ट होके वो लोगों तक पहुंचता है, क्योंकि वो ऐसे चैनल्स क्रिएट करके इन स्तूपास को बनाया जाता है. ये जो हाइट ये लोग डिसाइड करते हैं. सोनम वांगचुक इज एक्चुअली
Sonam Wangchuk.
ब्रेन चाइल्ड ऑफ इट. आई एम श्योर यू गाइस हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट.
If not, just search it out, yeah.
या सो द हाइट ऑफ द पाइप इज केप्ट. आटा पीसा जाता है, मक्का पीसा जाता है.
Andaman Nicobar, yes. Hippo roller project. Anybody heard about it? Huh? You have heard about it, yeah.
So basically in villages people travel a lot to carry the water, so waters are very heavy and they have to travel a lot. So I think I don't remember who came with this idea, but this roller is basically a water carrier, so that they can carry a huge amount of water and they can simply roll it, and this is very durable and stable, that जो गांव के खड्डे भी होते हैं उससे वो बहुत आसानी से जो है वो लेके जा सकते हैं. Similar kind of structure is also been utilized today to carry वो जो ईंटें होती है कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे, जो ईंटें होती है, they came up with some of the design where they can hang it or a shoulder and also in a hand, where जब वो एक हाथ में 2 ईंटें उठा पाते हैं, अभी वो एक हाथ में 8-10 ईंटें उठा के आराम से दिखलाए. So this is like टायर वाला.
Yeah. Thanks, ma'am.
My background is very curious about things, so आई आस्क्ड हिम, तो उनके पास एक लोकल स्टोरी है कि एक बच्चा अपनी मम्मा के साथ जाता है क्योंकि उसकी मम्मी बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करती है, 5-5 किलोमीटर, तो वो उससे खेल रहा होता है, टायर से खेल रहा होता है,
यस।
तो टायर वो होलो होता है, उसके अंदर उसमें मार्बल होता है, तो वो उससे खेलते खेलते मार्बल भी ले जाता है टायर के साथ और पहुंच जाता है पानी के वहाँ पे और वो घर भी ले आता है। तो उससे वो आइडिया आया था कि अगर हम पतले से टायर में मार्बल लेके जा सकते थे तो ना ट्रक वाले टायर्स होते थे थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करके पानी ले जाए।
या सो काफ़ी ईजी हो गया लोगों के लिए पानी लेकर जाना. So of course we can put a layer of commerce in it, we can put a layer of marketing in it. Those things we can anyway do, but at the end of it, if it's usable for people, if it's solving something, that's what design come into picture. So thanks ma'am for adding the hippo roller ke bare mein. So everybody knows, like, so he is my friend, okay, and we use clay pottery banane ke liye and all the things, and clay has certain properties. It keeps the water cool, it filters the water in a certain way, right? So then he made me met with his family, and mother and father, whole family is into this, and they were making like big pots. We have ghada, right? हमने काफ़ी लोगों ने use किया सुराई, घड़ा and all, right? Over the period of time, the tap came up. We started using tap with it. Then there was this person who started making a fridge out of this material. So it's called Mitti Cool. So what he did, he actually, on the top of it, he added water, and water goes just around the space. And it in the fridge, you can keep the fruits, vegetables, regular day-to-day thing for at least 7 days. So that's how the village में लोगों को like लगा कि okay, we don't have to spend a lot of money in terms of buying a fridge because electricity is a problem and so many things are a problem. Can we use a local material? So he started using, and then of course he started making different kind of utensils with it, right? So what I'm trying to give you with this example, that every time we can't import, every time, but we want to export, right? So can we build that export related mindset, and can we try to solve the local community things, starting from a problem, you know? If we always say, like, if we fail in something, right, it's we feel, as an Indians, we feel very kind of small inside our hearts. We don't want our children to fail, we don't want us to fail in something, but can we make failing much more appreciative and finding a right solution on top of the failing? Can we put that layer of things? अगर ये ऐसे नहीं हो रहा तो कैसे हो सकता है? Looking at the possibilities of it, right? So that's how these examples are very important. Then all of us know rickshaws, and we all travel by rickshaws. As children, we have like caged into this kind of rickshaw and travel to school. Different elements के बच्चे गिर ना जाएं, bags गिर ना जाएं और सही तरह पहुँचे. अभी तो like cars come and they like move you all around and take the kids to the school. Then we, of course, improvisation with our battery rickshaws, but in metro trains, the internal compartments have been designed in such a way that it's thinking of everybody, leaving no one behind, right? Thinking of the people who need special assistance. ऊपर आप देखोगे तो पकड़ने के लिए है, साइड में बैठने के लिए है, safety precautions, everything has been taken. So everything has been designed in a certain way. Charging the ports also. So many things are intentionally kept that people can get benefit out of it. So this is something, a project done by a group of people, you know. Initially we were importing it from Japan, but now we are creating on our own the compartments, the new metros which are coming up, right? Yes. Yeah. Exactly. So another example of Mitti Cool is in a school, in one of the school, they have used the properties of the clay, same mitti, and they have made these holes so that गर्मियों में हवा जो आए, and it can cross it and it can ventilate the school in a space that school thanda rahe. We don't have to put ACs and other things. So can we start building things within our system and try to see if we can?
We are using architecture design, जिसमें हम कूलर यूज कर रहे हैं छत पे for evaporation और ventilation, जिसमें वो कूल रहता है. वो सर्दियों में
That's a very good.
अंदर नहीं आने देता है ठंड को, और गर्मियों में वो बाहर रखता है गर्मी को.
Correct.
तो कुल्हड़ और मिट्टी के घड़े टूट गए हैं घर में, उनको भी यूज करते हैं छत पे. जो पहले हम पत्थर टुकड़ा वगैरह यूज करते थे उसकी जगह हम कुल्हड़ वगैरह यूज करते
Cooler वगैरह use करते हैं. Yes.
हैं. नेचुरल कूलर.
Natural cooler.
इनका फिर जैसे मेट्रो सिटीज हैं या अपनी तो यहाँ पर हाईलाइट होना चाहिए, और जो अपने स्पेसिफिक जैसे प्रगति मैदान में या अलग और बिजनेस पर्सपेक्टिव से, तो यहाँ पर इनका एडप्ट होना चाहिए, जैसे कम्युनिटी को भी हेल्प मिले, क्लाइमेट चेंज को भी इंटरनेशनली भी इसका बेनिफिट दिखा सकते हैं.
Absolutely. तो ये
एक होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये तो स्पेसिफिक कहीं ना कहीं कम्युनिटी का है या फिर रूरल एरियाज में ये फेमस है. ये हाईलाइटेड स्मार्ट सिटीज में होना चाहिए, जिससे क्या ये अप होगा और इंटरनेशनली भी इसका जो बेनिफिट है वो ले सकते हैं और क्लाइमेट चेंज के लिए भी.
Absolutely. तो ये आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, we will actually try to incorporate these things in our exercise thing, how we can take inspiration from our own lives and try to see what we can contribute to the society, for ourselves, for our surroundings, and largely for society in a way. Yes. So we all know Jugaad. We are so good we are like a born trained in doing Jugaad, and we officially call it frugal innovation to this thing. So somebody is like like a water नीचे से, so the गांव वाला has taken the backside of the wheel, उसको चलाकर छोड़ दिया, and the water has been pumped up. Somebody has he went to the market and didn't have like a larger space to keep things, so he has taken his bike and made a jugaad out of things. Somebody didn't had like a washing machine at their home, so they have used the old cycle and connected it and made a pedal based kind of a washing machine out of it. Somebody wanted to have a froth wala coffee and filter coffee and they didn't want it to kind of have that facility, so he has used pressure, pani, yeah, pani se steam aaya, steam se you can.
But there are various designs available in the market. But if you want to use as a product, suppose I want to sell that design, there is a government procedure.
Yes.
To take the patent for it.
Correct.
So the question is whether that design will pass according to the government standards or not.
Yes.
Then only it will come as a product in the market.
Correct.
Jugaad is everywhere.
Correct.
But nobody is going to take that Jugaad to the government to register as a patent. Some people are there, right? So that is a big question.
Yeah. So see, after this I'll talk about it. So patenting has of course a different annotation, and it came from a space where we never painted our things, right? We never patented yoga even, which is now patented in other country on behalf of us, but on their name, right? So people have taken it. So of course, like now government is doing a lot of IPR workshops and saying, okay, you should patent your design, you should claim your design that this is by you, so that some other country people, they won't say that they have created it. For example, haldi, right? Patent, Indian patent hai ya nahi hai. So we have to start seeing it. If you start seeing the patented list, so there's so many things which we have created but we didn't patent it. That's why government has this push on patenting. So that's a different process. We will come to it when we'll actually start with something. I'll answer your question. But to move the session, so this is again, somebody has done jugaad in terms of rickshaw plus motorized it. A mini cooler, somebody who can't really afford it and kind of made a mini cooler out of it. A hot water, like dispenser or hot water you want in a kitchen. So they have हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा है और हमें इसको like you know like we need to kind of respect it,
मैम
कि हमें पता है।
ये वाला जो है ये कमर्शियलाइज हो गया है, वो स्पेसिफिक आता है गैस लीजिए इसको चेक
अब
करती है।
एक and for example this, you know, we already have, so it's like you know, इधर से जब दबाएंगे घंटी तो this will make a sound, so that's how they have added. And now the latest one, the pollution. So air purifiers became so expensive, right? I just checked it, like 19,000, 20,000.
मैम उसमें भी वैरायटीज हैं,
But
उसमें भी कौन सा पार्टी
बहुत-
पीएम के लिए अपना पर्टिकुलर।
Exactly, but this is a really emergency that can we do something about air purifying? What goes in air purifying? So you need to take a HEPA filter, right? And you have to take that fan which is in your kitchen, जो air को बाहर खींचता है, right? Exhaust fan. HEPA filter के ऊपर आपको fan रखना है, and then your room air will get purified, like it gets stick on the HEPA filter, and that's how you get the fresh air. So what I'm trying to say, everything which industries sell us is not that expensive. अगर ऐसा होता तो फोन सभी सबसे ज्यादा चीप होते। हम पोटैटो चिप्स जो है, लेज वगैरह, हम इतने महंगे ना खाते, राइट? आलू का प्राइस एंड लेज का प्राइस मतलब very different, right? So can we teach our students, can we bring this habit to the life that everything we don't have to buy quickly? So that is one thing. Another is about marketing and of course positioning your brand. That's a different thing, right? But जब तक हमें local solutions नहीं पता होंगे, how we will train our students and our people who are connected to us that we can actually ठीक कर सकते हैं हम घर पे। हमारे पास मोची है, which is a talented guy who is really can do something to your footwear. We have the local electrician who can do things very quickly rather than buying. Because I was discussing in the morning this carbon credit thing, which is now going to become the next thing, right? Water, air, but it's not in our favor right now. But what about like people who are going to save a green patch or give a fresh space where the water has been clean and everything? They'll get points by the government, credit points that you are doing good, and industry have to buy this credit point to suffice that they are not giving the pollution back to the society. So world is moving in a very different way. Okay, we are thinking very small things कि हमें ये चाहिए, small needs, and trying to figure out. But world is moving in a very different way, and we have to train our children to survive in this world, right? So that's how we are moving. I want you to start thinking about the local spaces, local solutions, rather than totally in a global way, which you can implement, which your students can implement in a particular way. Okay, so as we kind of move into the possibilities and step out of these possibilities, so design grows in multiple things, and we take inspiration from multiple things. So at the end of it, it's only making our life convenient, But so this is Stanford design thinking philosophy, and Tim has from IDEO. IDEO is a company which started with the design thinking process. So ideally, they are saying that upgrading within constraints, which we are already doing since our childhood, right? We are upgrading ourselves with constraints. We don't have books, we borrow. We don't have enough playing area, we make a playing area within our system. So we are our children, our students are growing within constraints. We ourselves, I think we are the millennial generation. We all are the millennial generation who have grown under constraints, and they are saying it in a different language, of course, and innovating ideas which can solve the problems around us. So that's what he is saying in a technical terms. Okay, so one thing I wanted to start with, a bit of doodling. So all of you like doodling? You can, all of you can. So can you draw a mountain in your diary or something? Yeah, just a quicker one, a mountain. So very quickly we'll do, okay? And show me, Or show your friends what mountain you have drawn. Okay. Just a mountain. Okay. Okay, great. So I can see all of you having a similar kind of mountain, some with trees, some with sun. Can you quickly draw a bottle? Great. Okay. Can you show it to your friends? Okay. Can you show me, please? Okay. Interesting. Everybody, you all can imagine. You're such a great imagination powerhouse. Mug. Can you draw a mug? Okay. Yes. Everyone has to draw. Okay. Great. Please show me. You have to. We have to be children to. Okay, interesting. Okay, I can see a lot of similarities. Can you draw a bulb? Bulb. Can you draw a bulb? Okay. Okay. सबका सेम है? किसका डिफरेंट है? सबका सेम है? Okay, interesting. Can you draw your friend who is sitting next to you? Yeah, who is sitting next to you? Can you draw your friend who is sitting next to you? And if they're not friends, please make them your friends and draw them. She is who? Who is she? Okay, and how you're still okay.
Ma'am having round face.
Where are you?
Ma'am having round face.
Okay. Show me. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Can you draw brainstorming with your friend? Can you doodle it? Can you imagine it, how you're going to brainstorm with your friend? Just can you draw it? Doodle it. Anything, any idea? Or gossiping with my friend, or brainstorming with my friend, maybe. डूडल बनाना है डूडल बना लिया so there are no judgments about the drawing. Okay, you can doodle it in this open forum. Can you show quickly? Okay.
Yeah, going for a long time.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, that's interesting. Can you draw innovation? Can you draw innovation? Can you draw innovation?
Magic pencil. I am also going with the pencil.
I'm not saying product.
Okay.
But can you draw innovation?
No, we can't.
You can't, because see, everything has a shape and form, but innovation has a thinking. Okay? And that thinking has to be nurtured every time. Then only you can think of innovation. And then you can draw innovation, right? So that's what I'm trying to tell you since the beginning, that you need to develop it step by step. It can't be like idea socha or it's ho gaya, right? So let's start. So design thinking is something we call it like a problem solving tool. Technically, we call it problem solving tool. Now think of a problem around you and maybe let's design a solution for it together. Are you ready? Okay. So before that, before we move, I'll just tell you a bit of technicality, what goes into the design thinking process. So of course, when we think of a problem, any problem you can share, any kind of thing which is coming in your mind. Can you think of a problem within this class? So, जैसे ही मैंने आपसे पूछा, there is a kind of confusion in your mind, right? So how you sort it out? You try to do a research. You go around, or you read papers, or you see videos, or you talk to people, or you take interviews and try to slowly develop few ideas, right? And then there'll be 10 ideas maybe. You choose one idea out of it. You don't choose like कि मुझे ये अच्छा लग रहा है. But you will take interview that, do you like this? Do you like this? Do you like this? Do you think this will solve the problem? Do you think this will solve it? And structure it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll work on the top one because that's a cream problem. Okay? So you start developing concept on top of that. And then as you develop the concept, slowly you make a prototype. You kind of test it with your friends, talk to them whether this is really solving anything for you or not. And then that's how the innovation has been created. So it's not a standalone process. It's been built with people around you. Okay? So that's what the design strategy tells us. So when we start, so there are 5 steps of design thinking. I'll come on this. So first is empathize, which we'll do it today, which is more of like talking to people, getting into the shoes of other person and trying to understand them without bias that I know everything. You know, giving other person space that you tell me what is the things, issues which you are facing. So for that, you need to take interview. You need to talk to people. You need to also understand what kind of questions I should ask that I'll get more insights from the other person, right? And develop your understanding and then ask another question. So digging more in the interview. So we call it like a more of empathy, getting into other person's shoes and trying to know them in a much more better way. So that's what IDEO Stanford, they talked about, you know, empathy is not self-judgmental, but getting to know what audience is saying, what participants are saying. Okay. So I worked in one of the project in Bihar, and we were developing this voice recording system for tuberculosis. Okay, so in this thing, the project was that we need to develop this voice recorder with the script and everything. You all have seen voice recorder, right? I mean, you press the number, एक दबाइए, दो दबाइए, अगर आपको ये problem है तो ये दबाइए, right? So we have all in our medical thing, these kind of things. So the background work which we have done for it, we went to the field. We had a talk with doctors, local chemists, local people who are having tuberculosis, and try to see what kind of understanding they have first. And second interview happened when actually the product has been developed, the voice interactive recording system has been developed. We tested it with them. तो डॉक्टर्स के तो प्रॉब्लम्स निकलनी शुरू हुई उसके बाद. डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं ये तो हमेशा आप रिमाइंडर देते रहते हो, एंड दैट डिस्टर्ब्स आवर सर्जरीज, दैट डिस्टर्ब्स आवर, सो दैट वाज अ पॉइंट व्हिच केम अप. So that was really like, oh, we never thought about it. But doctors are facing this problem. Every time they are seeing the patients, this problem of buzzing thing coming up and reminder thing is coming up. Because tuberculosis में क्या होता है, the patient has to be reminded for the medicine again and again because medicine is very heavy. Patients stop taking because of the heavy dose of the medicine. ठीक है, this was the first problem which came up. Then we improvised it. So we have taken interviews and had a talk with the participants, sat in their shoes and try to see कि अच्छा problem actually है क्या. It's not that जो मैं सोच रही हूँ, but actually problem ground level पे क्या है. So we have taken interview. So we have taken interview after developing prototype. ठीक है. Second problem निकल के आए कि the dialect in which people are speaking and understanding. ठीक है. गांव के लोग हैं. They are understanding, but they are not able to communicate with the system. So, अगर हम fancy system बना भी देंगे तो it's not going to work on the ground level, right? So, dialect के उसको हमने local language में local person से ही करवाया, and that was the problem we have solved. ठीक है, this was second problem. Third problem was that patients are not taking medicine, so patients have to every time come to the hospital, local dispensary nearby, and give a thing कि I'm kind of taking these medicines and show the medicines कि ये ली है basically, ताकि वो miss ना करें. So this was the third problem, that they are not coming and the healthcare workers have to kind of go to their place and still they are not finding them. So then that was a strategic decision that we have changed and incorporated. So what I'm saying, empathize is the first step, which is interviewing people, trying to understand, taking their own views. And the second is define. Define is problem तो बहुत हो सकती है. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि इस रूम में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, you will say कि ये प्रॉब्लम एक है कि लाइट कम आ रही है, प्रॉब्लम 2 है कि एसी नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम 3 है कि पंखा नहीं है. यू कैन से मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम्स, बट एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम है क्या, वो आइडेंटिफाई करना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आप किसी स्टूडेंट से ही पूछेंगे तो वो भी कहेगा कि आई वेंट टू अ स्कूल एंड दे सेड कि I have asked the kids कि what is the problem, just write down the problems, and they said I get so much of homework. And I was like, okay, so that's that child's problem, okay, that I don't get enough time to eat the breakfast. So problems गिनवाने को तो बहुत है, but हमें जो है वो cream problem देखनी है. और वो कैसे identify करेंगे? With a methodology, with a process, which I'll come to it.
I think the Delhi government has the problem, the solution for this problem which you have told. Because if we have given the tablet box of TB tuberculosis to the patient, he or she might be unaware that he has to take the medicine on that particular time or day.
Yeah.
The Delhi government has designed it in a way that they keep the medicine box with them only. In the dispensary.
And the person has to come.
Yes, and they have given the schedule.
Yeah.
At that particular day, you have to come in the morning and take your medicine.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is the rule in Delhi.
Yeah.
They follow.
Yeah. So that's great example.
Yes. Because if the medicine is with me, I
Correct.
should be unaware that I have
Correct.
to take the medicine because I am okay.
Correct.
Because I am having the medicine in my bag,
Yeah.
but I have not taken it.
Yeah.
That is the problem.
Correct.
Human psychology.
So one is, so for a Delhi kind of space, maybe this solution can work. But we have such a diverse country, right? I mean, certain places people are not bothered.
Right in hilly areas, people are living at a different locations.
Locations, yes.
All the people who are suffering from TB, they cannot come to one place. There it is, that solution is the problem.
Correct. Absolutely. It's a solution problem.
feasible for everyone. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने जो स्केड्यूल दे दिया है सामने वाला का लाइफस्टाइल स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से चलेगा. मिसहैप्स हो सकते हैं, कुछ भी सर्टेन सिचुएशंस आ सकती है. You can't come.
Like in dog bite also, Delhi, if there is a dog bite patient, so in the hospital they will give you a schedule. On that particular day, you have to come and take your injection.
Yeah. तो point is कि प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत सारी है, उसका सॉल्यूशन कितनी जल्दी पहुंचा सकते हैं. मे बी समबडी विल से, अब जैसे आपने डॉग बाइट के बारे में कहा, ठीक है, और लोगों को पता ही नहीं है किस हॉस्पिटल में जाना है. डॉग बाइट हो, हमारे पास के डिस्पेंसरी में नहीं मिलेगा, लोकल डॉक्टर को फोन किया तो, बट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में मिलेगा. पर्टिकुलर गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में डॉग बाइट्स के बहुत सारे केसेस आते हैं. मॉर्निंग में आपको स्लॉट मिल के उसी में आपको जाना है और फटाफट लगवानी है विद इन 72 आवर्स, राइट? सो if this is a problem, many people are not able to avail this facility, what can be done?
अवेलेबिलिटी जो है वो नियर अबाउट होना चाहिए, और या तो एक पर्टिकुलर टीम हो जो ये देखे कि हाँ उनका ये जो शेड्यूल है वहां पर वो विजिटिंग ऐसे करे.
Okay, so this is one kind of solution ma'am is proposing. Okay, nearby location, yeah.
तो अभी क्या है, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने लोकेलिटीज बना दी हैं लोकल, वहाँ पे टीम्स हैं, मेड टीम्स है, वो पेशेंट्स देखते हैं लोकलाइज पेशेंट्स कौन से हैं, क्योंकि एक नेबर है उनको है तो उनके पास कॉल आता है. हाँ, विद इन 2 वीक्स उनके पास कॉल आएगा या आप अपनी मेडिकेशन टाइम से ले रहे हैं, आप कहाँ से ले रहे हैं, आपका डॉक्टर कौन सा एलोकेटेड है आपके, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, तो वो कॉल करते हैं. वो स्पेशली उस लोकल एरिया के लिए.
करेक्ट.
तो ये भी एक सिचुएशन
आपने फ्रॉम द टॉप लेवल आपने डिसेंट्रलाइज कर दिया. सेंट्रलाइज करने की वजह एक ही हॉस्पिटल आपने डिसेंट्रलाइज कर दिया कि लोकल कम्युनिटी में यू मेड मे बी लाइक द लोकल डिस्पेंसरी द इंचार्ज. दूसरा आपने किया कि आप कैंपेन शुरू कर दो कि you become the face of this kind of solving this kind of thing. So that is another way. So एक प्रॉब्लम के 10 सॉल्यूशंस निकल सकते हैं, लेकिन हमें वो प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करनी पड़ेगी कि मेजर क्या है, 1 2 3 4, व्हाट इज द टॉप वन. या
जैसे कोविड में देखा जाए तो काफी लोग थे जो झूठ भी बोल रहे थे कि हम आई एम
वैक्सीनेटेड. यस,
गवर्नमेंट सडनली डिजाइन अ सर्टिफिकेट. If you are taken the vaccine, so you have to show that
the certificate, even if you want to travel to airport and railway station and all. Yeah.
जुगाड़ एक वर्ड पे डिस्कस हुआ था, तो we are very good at जुगाड़.
Yes.
So लगवाएंगे भी नहीं, और some people have already designed a fake certificates also.
Correct.
वो verify करने के लिए there is a
Correct.
और आईडी लगा दी थी, हर एक सर्टिफिकेट यूनिक आईडी.
Correct.
country like India, there are multiple problems, multiple solutions might be possible.
Yes. So so let's come back to the process. So I really like you gave so many examples. So so over the period of time in the whole week, we are going to work on the whole process. But what I'm going to cover is the empathize as one of the process. And then over the period of time, as I said, you start finding, as you start talking to people, take interviews, searching, you'll find some kind of solution. So you generally redefine a problem. Actual problem क्या है, right? उसके बाद you start ideating. Ideate करना मतलब maybe you kind of design a solution, you build your strategy, you try to build the plan for it, and then you make a prototype, rough prototype. If it's like you are making an application, for example, COVID के point के लिए, so you will be like testing it with few people around you. Actually में not with your friends, but for people who are actually going to will be your audience, right? Yes. So you start with prototyping and then you test it with people. But the main work starts when you test and there are faults, and then you kind of you have to incorporate that. So reiteration of the process, right? So you come back to the prototyping, design whatever your audience has given you solutions or problems, you reiterate, you rethought about it and incorporate it in your prototype and then test it. That's why any company which releases the product, they don't release at once. They release as phase wise. So we call it beta prototyping, beta testing, and alpha and all those things. But they release it slowly. Whether it's a chair, whether it's a curtain, whether it's anything, So releasing it slowly is even application. The apps which you get in your phone, it's not suddenly released. So one exercise we did it in the class, that I ask my students, like you will be also asking your students, that design an application. So everybody will like कि हम बिल्कुल ही अलग तरीके से बनाएंगे, right? अलग तरीके से तो बनाए, लेकिन when they went to the people who are going to use it, they will be like कि अच्छा इस बटन को दबाएं या इस बटन को दबाएं. So they have changed the whole structure. So there's a particular language of the application which you have to follow, because your audience have already memorized it, right? We know कि phone कहाँ से उठाना है. If we totally introduce something new, people will have to relearn kind of thing, and that's a kind of a cognitive load in their mind. So you have to kind of build on top of what is available. So this one, yeah. So first you start with empathize. You have a issue. You identify that issue. So you have a lot of knowledge base with interviews, with data which you have searched, with Google Scholar पे search करिए आप, YouTube पे करिए, लोगों से बात करिए, लाइब्रेरी में जाइए. Then you have a lot of data. Then you define. You kind of define from that data one problem statement, and then you converge. So this divergence and convergence is very important in design thinking, that you start with diverging, open a lot of things in your plate, and then diverge it to one point, what I'm going to work on right now. Okay, so that is ideating. Then you again diverge and create a lot of your creations, lot of ideas, concepts, and then diverge it into slowly test करते converge करके एक solution पे हम आएंगे. So that's how the design thinking process works, and it works in everything, not just product. Whether you are creating a system for your product or your spaces, whether you are creating an application, whether you are creating something policy level, whether you're creating something teaching ke liye, you're preparing material, and on that you can imply all those things. So now, सबसे पहले identifying the problem, as I said, is very important. You divide that into few things, like, is it the problem for a single person or for me? Is it the problem is for a kind of a group of people or community? Or is it for the whole country or a larger group of people you are? So, as I gave the TB example, because that is going to be implemented in a kind of a whole state. So that is a larger group, right? So you have to define किसके लिए हम problem solve कर रहे हैं. उसके हिसाब से you will make a policies. उसके हिसाब से you will make a policy का implementation plan. उसके हिसाब से you will also make, if you are introducing a product, उसकी marketing होगी, उसका कहाँ पे position करना है वो होगा, कितने funding चाहिए, कितनी funding हम, everything is decided on that part based on your these three categories. ठीक है? Who could solve this problem? Think about it. Like, who could solve this problem? That is something you can ask when you start interviewing people and start seeing the problems in a way. Okay, what is the difference between empathy and sympathy?
Sympathy means consuming others. Empathy means putting yourself into others' shoes so as to do their perspective, their state of mind.
Absolutely, wonderful. So empathy is more of listening to others, right? How do we empathize? We observe. We don't just put our opinion first. We observe. We try to understand. We make our notes, right? We listen to people. We don't jump onto kind of giving conclusions, right? We listen to people. Even when they're talking to other people, when they're explaining things, we listen to them. And third is identification. Identifying the pinpoints which they themselves don't know, that this is something which they would need a solution for. And these three things, identification, listening, and observation, is the part of the empathy. That's how you can empathize with other person. In terms of sympathy, in sympathy, at the end of it, if you're consoling your friend, it's like you are saying a lot of things, right? So that's not something you are interviewing. You have to, so in research, we call one thing biasness. When we collect data, we don't bias with our opinion the data. कि suppose किसी को कुछ काम करने के लिए दिया, we don't say, अच्छा आप ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर सकते हैं ना. We don't say that. We will say, अच्छा आप कैसे करते हैं? You tell. I may ask few questions to dig things, but I should not bias my opinion on others' roles. Okay, so one thing now, what we'll do, what are the biggest problems we see around our surroundings? We kind of note it down, okay? And and now we will empathize and try to understand the real problems, which the kind of these problems which we are going to think and try to dig more into it. So it's more of like an interview exercise we are kind to do with our friends, maybe people who are friends who are sitting next to you. Let me just see. But before that, I'm giving you a kind of a cheat sheet. So how you can start the conversation. So few things, like you can ask like what actually happened when you are looking at the problems. What actually happened, what exactly working, and why it's working, why it's not working. You can ask those kind of questions. You can ask why did the group project is too long. I mean, maybe digging a bit more. So keep digging, keep asking. So one thing we say that when we are doing PhD research, we are more of digging a bit, diving into it. But when we are doing a master thesis project, we are all around, right? So digging is something we have to do with our questions. Why, how, when, oh, really it happened? Can you explain a bit more about it? Can you tell me the process? So try to get those answers, or look at the problem from a different camera lens. Don't say that if this would have happened, then like whether the result will be different. Don't say that, because that's like you're putting your assumptions in the beginning. So how people felt about this thing when you did this, or was it bad, was it good, who is affected, what is the problem, how did it happen, why does it happen, and how could made you feel or it affected you, kind of thing. So you can dig a bit and use this kind of cheat sheet to interview your friends. So what we do, when you're doing it, we come up with, should we start with the exercise?
I think
Let's start with the exercise and then
do one activity for sure.
let's do this activity. So
नहीं तो थोड़ा boring हो जाएगा, सब quiet हो गया सर.
so let's do that. And so think of a biggest problem you see around your surrounding, and can you just write it down?
At present, I'll sit around.
No, anything around you. Anything, not in the class, but anything around you. Anything.
It could be anything.
It could be anything.
It could be a personal problem. It could be a problem that you see every day while going to your school. It could be a problem that you see while going back to your place, home. So all these things. Think of the problems that you want to work on. शायद 1000 चीजें होंगी जो हम देखते होंगे, लेकिन एक कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी जहाँ पे हमें लगता है कि यार यहाँ हम लोग मैं एक डिफरेंस यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ, या मैं यहाँ पे एक चीज ला सकता हूँ. So think of those problems. It doesn't need to be a global level or a national level or anything of that sort. It could be something like अगर कोई छोटी सी बच्ची है या roadside vendor है, उसको भी अगर help मिलता है तो that is also something that we are looking for. But think of something very small and which is very close to your heart.
So would you like to take it over from here?
Ma'am, you're doing so brilliant.
No, I mean your session is also coming.
Maybe post lunch.
Post lunch, okay. Yeah. So everybody can just think about it. You don't have to just jump onto writing, but think about it. Yeah.
I think everybody is aware about aspirational districts.
Aspirational district.
The
Yes.
government of India has made a list of aspirational districts. Actually, on all three parameters, the government has decided the list of districts. One is education, second is health, and third is the job opportunities or finances available with the households. So I am posted in Shravasti district of Uttar Pradesh. So their biggest problem is students are there in the attendance register only. They are they are trying to come to attend the class, but they have various issues. The first issue is finance. They don't have money. तो उनके जो घर में पेरेंट्स हैं वो ये कहेंगे कि अब आप 12वीं पास आपने कर लिया, कॉलेज में आपका नाम रजिस्टर हो गया, now it is a time to earn something.
So let's note it down and then we'll have a discussion thing. Yeah.
If you have any doubts, please ask. Please ask.
So what we can do from here, we can start with a mind map thing and then your thing is coming up. इसके बाद ये जो बता रही है ना,
2 o'clock ब्रेक करेंगे लंच में, तो ये वाला सेशन कर लेते हैं, इसके बाद लंच ब्रेक हो जाएगा.
फिर स्टिकी नोट्स,
उसके बाद हम लोग माइंड मैप करेंगे and दिव्या will distribute the sticky notes to each team. लंच के बाद ब्रेक कर लेंगे, अगर ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड.
अभी प्रॉब्लम जो है इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे.
So we will see this problem. अभी क्या करेंगे to make it interesting, we'll give the chits to, like if some A person has given, so we'll give that chit to somebody else. Because now they are all thinking about their personal problems, not thinking about the others.
ठीक है.
So because we are on empathy, we are on empathy still.
Yeah.
So the important is that instead of us talking about our own issues, we should think of others or others. That's what I feel. Good job.
ठीक था. It's okay. Just take.
This is one of the forms we gave to them.
नहीं. Yeah, just think about it and हाँ क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ दीपांशु? हाँ हाँ which room? But the Jere na Jere from Finland. Acha, देख, he can sit in but he can sit in the conference room next to my office, because that room is not very fine, right? I mean, it's very dirty. No, I am out for the session, so that's why I told Chinmay. हाँ, तो basically okay, there is a meeting with Professor Marco and Biju is coming. Okay, so I think that has been shifted. Chinmay just informed me. Chinmay is there? Yeah. चिन्मय, जो अभी लोग आए हैं इनको दूसरे रूम के बजाय उसी रूम में बिठा दो ना, कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में, मेरे रूम के अपोजिट जो है. बट उनको बोल दो उधर बैठ जाए, कितना गंदा हो रहा है उधर साथ वाला रूम. सजेस्ट मतलब उनको बोल दो कि पता नहीं, बोल दोगे बिकॉज अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, इट्स नॉट अ गुड रिप्रेजेंटेशन. हाँ
बट क्या वो दूसरे इंसान के लिए भी इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो डेफिनेटली विद योर प्रॉब्लम आल्सो मेंशन कि वो प्रॉब्लम आपके लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है.
So I can ask if कब break कब कर रहे हैं ना?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock कर रहे हैं.
But we can end this with a surprise. Okay. We'll end this with a surprise that we will now exchange.
And think about it, and we'll continue after the break.
Or they're writing it in their notebooks.
That's okay. They can change it within.
We can take the notebooks. We will collect all the notebooks and then distribute it randomly. because सबका नाम लिखा होगा.
And we'll tell them. So we'll start within after the break. So think about it. Okay, what would be the solution?
How to solve this the other person's problem. Because that's where the empathy is supposed to go.
So I can ask them to write their names in the book. So on whatever you are writing, no, just I think a booklet, just write your own name, okay, in that booklet. Yes, you want to ask ma'am something?
I'm done.
Okay, so you have written your name? Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll just take this.
But it can be the whole booklet.
That's
You don't have to
okay.
clear the page.
That's okay. That's okay.
आप वो लिख के रखना, but notebook पे अगर आप लोग लिख रहे हो तो notebook के ऊपर अपना नाम लिखना because you have to take that back. But we will take it. हाँ जी.
And you can give me whoever has written.
Writing legible or shall I write it?
Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. One problem will be good. I mean, choose the cream problem, which is the major thing you. Okay.
What I favorite?
वो वाला done. वो वाला done. हाँ. Okay, just for bookmarking, let's do one thing. Wherever you guys have written the problem, maybe fold it. So
Yeah, I'll
you
fold
see
it
the
for you.
folded page.
Thanks.
Okay.
It's this, right? This whole thing,
I
no?
have entire thing.
And this thing?
Please hand me over.
Here. Okay.
Have you folded it? Are you folded it?
Yeah, they did. Here.
Have you guys written it?
Yeah, we will come to it. Yeah.
You want to submit that? Anybody wants to?
आप लिखती थी मैम? दे दिया. Okay.
Any more? People folded enough. This will cover.
Sorry, I just forgot the name.
Mr. Saptarishi, yes. आपने दे दिया सर? Thinking. Take your time, yeah. आप सर, thank you.
Make sure that your notebooks have your name.
आपने दे दिया?
This one doesn't have.
आपके पास नोटबुक नहीं है? एक इन पेपर ले सकते हैं. Piece of paper you can take, yeah. Piece of paper is also fine. I mean, if you don't have notebook. Here.
How many do we have? How many people are we here?
You have given it, ma'am?
नाम लिखना है?
नहीं, इसको ऐसे कर दीजिए. आपका इस पे लिखा हुआ है ना? इस पे तो नाम लिखा हुआ है ना? Okay, great. I can take it?
Okay, do we have people who have not submitted? It's totally fine if you don't want to submit, it's absolutely fine, but it's just a part of the exercise.
There are n numbers of problems. I am confused.
You know, in swing safety will works the best.
I'm going through n numbers of problems right now, so I thoroughly believe that I should not write it.
No, just write one.
So I'm going through something, so that's why.
Okay.
It's pretty fair that I speak to.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, so the reason that we ask you to write something on a piece of paper and give it to us is because empathy is not always about ourselves. It's mostly about others, what we can do from others. Now, अगर हमने ही लिखा हुआ अपना problem खुद solve करें, what is the point? So what we are going to do, we are going to randomly.
So before that,
each problem that you all have written to everybody, and
But-
nobody knows who's written.
but I need to take your consent. Is it fine with all of you? Anybody, it's not fine with, please raise your hand. Okay, it's fine with everyone. Okay. अच्छा इनके पास
Make sure that you don't get
इनके
your-
पास इन्हीं का क्या
मुझे
है
लगा मेरे प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन भी मेरे पास है।
You know her very well.
मुझे यही लगा।
Okay, just what?
फोल्डेड पेपर के अंदर है द प्रॉब्लम
So I'm going to give it very close by. These are let's say
Having a task to be taken care of, you can redistribute to somebody.
अच्छा ओके
this is what you got.
There's one more this is
Okay. This is yours. I'll keep it away. Yeah, of course.
please read the problem and see if you can
Yeah.
do something about it. Can you suggest some solution of it or
Sir,
so that's yours?
you already have one.
Here.
Yeah. So we have.
You didn't got? I mean, I think this group didn't got at all any.
Oh, somebody must have not written it. So that's why we have shortage. But this is how it affects.
You have written it?
But what you can do is you can still write up. लिख लो.
You can solve. I think ये तीनों आप इकट्ठे solve कर सकते हो या.
ठीक है, it's absolutely.
And आपके लिए मैं देती हूँ पीछे एक जना रह गया, एक ग्रुप रह गया ना. Okay.
Okay. Silence. So we are going to break for lunch. But since you all probably by now have already read what is written on the paper, think of the solution that why this problem is so important, because this is so important for this person. एक प्रॉब्लम अगर किसी को है हमें वो समझना बहुत जरूरी है और वो एम्पैथी का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है that we understand somebody's pain so deeply that we see the problem clearly in front of us. तो आप लोग लंच के लिए हम लोग ब्रेक करेंगे but keep on thinking about how do you want to solve this problem. Yes. हाँ सबका
If we know that person very personally, guys, can we have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If we know that person personally, are we able to solve that person problem very genuinely or not? Empathetically means that only.
Yes.
If he doesn't know the person, because these people are not known to me.
Correct.
So that problem may be if someone written randomly. Suppose if you have written something, you may be not, whatever I have written something.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you are not aware about that problem which I just told you.
Correct.
So that is somehow may gone into sympathy or
Yes. So what we'll do now, this is the first step. Second step is we will make you meet that person and they will talk to you.
yeah.
So that is the next step, but that will happen after the break.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, important here is if you know the person, you have to know everybody, of course, to understand the problem. But the real empathy comes from when you actually do not know. Because when you know the person, it's also your benefit you see. But when you do not see your benefit, that's where the true empathy is. That without any benefit, you still want to help somebody.
Suppose,
That is where the
I just want to add here, suppose this is a problem not one person, 10,000 people are facing around India. Can we do something about it without even meeting them? Right? So that's why what we'll do after this, you will go through the problem, you will try to figure it out a bit, what could be the solution. So you have your own idea, but then you will meet that person. It means you will meet few participants who have this problem and try to talk to them. So digging deep, taking interview.
The biasness problem.
Yes.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
So this is a very small exercise that we're gonna continue post lunch.